Say hello, guys. Say hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Dee 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 dee. All right. Tiggity gitty, tiggity gitty gitty, tiggity gitty gitty, tiggity gitty, chiggity gitty, chiggity gitty, chiggity gitty, chiggity gitty, dee 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 dee. So, hello guys, welcome to my live stream. This evening I'm here with my boy, King Josiah Aldo, my handsome boy, my look-alike, my boy, good boy. He wants to yawn, so when he wants to yawn, he just shun away from the camera and then started yawning. Am I right? Am I right? What's wrong? Are you okay? Da, 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 da. Little boy, 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 boy, boy. Say hi to YouTube. Say hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Don't worry, maybe next time we'll stream on your channel, yeah? Today you're 2 months old, so maybe next time we'll stream on your channel, alright? All those videos I'm doing is for the record. Who are Gandhi Onengi? When you grow up, you watch these videos, you say, oh, Daddy, thank you for making those kind of videos for me. When I was at your age, there's no video of me. I think that time, videos are not like rampant like today. I had just pictures of myself. Not even many. I think 2 pictures. Yeah, I think 2 pictures. But that was when I was 2, 3 years. Yeah. I saw the picture of me when I was 2. Is it 2? I think 3 years or 4 years. You see that? So there are a lot of difference. Yeah. When you see that, you know that children of nowadays, they are privileged to be captured, like, you know, just have yourself on the internet. In 1,000 years to come, my children, your children, your children, grand generation, they will still see, and they will be able to trace our lineage. You know that? So I'm the one that is creating that for you now. So when you grow up, you watch your videos, you look at yourself when you were a baby. Now you're just looking at the camera. You have nothing to say. You're just watching. Am I right? You're just watching. Just looking at the camera. You don't know what's happening. And if I were you, I'd just wave my hand and say, hi guys. Say hi guys. So now you're just watching, and when you grow up, you'll be able to enjoy yourself. Yeah, he's a king. He's my first son, King Aldo Josiah. He's a great guy. Yeah, he has his own YouTube channel. And, King Aldo Josiah. So people are watching you today. But he's 2 months old. Thank you. Thank you. Kuba. Thank you so much. So the boy is 2 months old today. I can see he's looking big. He looks like a 6-month-old, 6-month boy. Boy, it's just 2 months. No, come on, boy. This boy is just 2 months. 2 months. 2 months. And you are busy doing live video with your daddy. What do you want to do? The boy is looking at the right top of my shirt. You asked me, Daddy, what are you saying? I'm talking to you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. I'm telling my fans, my YouTube family, what you used to do. Hmm? You wake up at night, I will have to sing, sing before you sleep. Is that life? Hmm? I will sing. Sometimes you don't even sleep. When I go to work in the morning, I will just be sleeping at work because my wonderful son will be doing that for me. We're not allowed daddy to sleep at night. But you know, children are, are a wonderful blessing. You know, he's a blessing. So I cannot complain. I'm just gisting you about my, my experience. Am I right? Have I been taking care of you as a dad? Have I? Hmm? Answer there now. Have I been taking care of you? Hmm? Tell me if I've been taking care of you. Say yes, Dad. Say yes, Dad. Say yes, Dad. Say yes, Dad. You have been taking care of me. Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Esa, Vegas. How are you? Where are you watching from? Say yeah. Say yeah. Say yeah. Say yeah. Jiggy G. No, I think the title I gave this video was not. At least I will just name it "Having Fun with My Son." Is that right? That would have been the title of this video. What do you think? Hmm? That would have been fine, yeah? Yes. Having fun with my son. Vegas, welcome. How you doing today? Where are you streaming from? People are there. Vegas is there. And who again? Yeah, anybody that comments here will greet the person. Welcome to the person to our live stream. Oh, Bilonia. Hello, Bilonia. How you doing? Bilonia. Hey, say hello. No, don't cry. Why will you do that now? You don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. You don't have to. Oh, yeah, how are you? You don't have to cry. You don't. Breastless. Da 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 da. Breastless, yeah. Thank you. Say hi. Where are you watching me from? I'm good, Leonie. I'm good. You are welcome to our life. Say hi to them. Hey, say hi to the fans, yeah. Say hi. Hello. Yeah, I say you should say hi to them. Can't you say hi to them? Yeah? Can't you say hi to them? Can't you say hi to them? Say hi. Hello. How are you? How are you? Thank you. You know, it's a wonderful thing to be a father, yeah. Yeah. No, he's busy playing with the shadow. Billionaire, I went to your live the other time. I saw your live. How you doing? How is your, can I call it your animal or your pets? How they doing? Rabbits. What up? What up, boy? Boy, 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 G G G G G, boy, mwah. Boy. G G G G G G. Welcome, guys. Please share, tab, comment. Let us know where you're watching from. Share, tab, comment. Let us know where you're watching from. YouTube. Yes, yes, sir. Like, share. No, it's not your mama, man. You want to suck? It's not your mama, boy. Your mama is coming to you. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Let's share, comment. If you are new, please, guys, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And my boy here is saying hi to you guys. Yeah, he's yawning. Maybe he wants to sleep. Do you want to sleep? Hmm? Do you want to sleep? Comment and let us know where you're watching from. Yeah. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. Daddy is here. You don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. Daddy is here. You don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. Daddy is here. You don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. Daddy is here. You don't have to cry. You don't have to. Your friend, how are you? Your friend, how you doing, man? Welcome. Welcome to my live. Welcome to my live. Today I'm live with my son. I am live with my son. You're welcome. Long time no see. 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 You're welcome. Yeah, I think if YouTube have a place where you can invite somebody to join you in your live when you're streaming, that would be nice. And if they have where somebody can send you direct message. How about if they do that, other creators, they don't have rest, man. Because people will be sending their message left and right. Yeah. It's better to put your social media handle on your page for people to contact you. You know, my son is busy playing with the shadow. I know that's what he's playing with. Da, 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 da. Come and say hi to your friend. Say hi to your friend. Turn. Look here. Look here, boy. Boy! 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 Say hi to your friend. Hello. Yeah, this is just 2 months. 2 months. So, say boy. 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 Same. Your baby is 2 months too. Da 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 da. G G G G G G G G G G. Happy, 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 happy. Okay, okay. Da 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 da. Pa 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 pam 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 pam. Pam 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 pa 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 tap 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 tap. Say hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Say hello guys. Hello guys. Hello there. Oh, he's 2 years, 2 months old. Beautiful. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello. Yeah. This is my carbon picture. Yeah. Hello guys. You can see yourself. That's you there. You're surprised that you're seeing yourself there. That's you. Say hi guys. He's imagining what is going on here. Is that me for real? That's you for real, bro. Yeah. That's you for real. Thank you, Shofi. Thank you, thank you. Is that me for real? How you doing? Welcome. Shofi, where are you watching from? Da 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 da. Say hi, hi, hi. Welcome to my life. Say hi, 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 hi. Say hi. Say hello, guys. Da-da. Boy, boy. Oh, you're from the East London, UK. Okay, thank you for joining. How is the UK today? Ding, ding, ding. How is East London today? My boy is saying hi. Say hello, 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 hello. Yeah, is one of the big upcoming YouTuber. Yeah, yeah, you are. You should watch out for you. Ta-da-da. Say hi to Sophie. Sophie, how are you? Say Sophie, how are you? Pam 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 pam. When he's looking at the camera, he's just imagining what's going on here. You know, I'm 17 and I like babies. I would be a dad. Would love my babies to look like this. Don't worry, it shall come to pass, man. You'll be a dad, man. Oh, Nigeria. Nigeria. Tell him that we are from Nigeria. We're in Nigeria. Yeah? We are not. We are in Nigeria. 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 Sophie wants to be a dad someday. So you be a dad and you have your child. And you hold your child and you play with your child. You call you daddy. Can they call you Daddy Sophie? Say Daddy Sophie, how are you? Daddy Sophie, how are you? Raj. Cheep, 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 cheep. You can't stop looking at the camera. Yeah, it's okay, it's enough. Just back up. The way you're looking at the light is too much, okay? Just cool down. Cool down, cool down, cool down. Let's talk to these nice people who have here. Please, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and please let us know where you're watching us from so that we can greet you and then greet your country too, and where you're watching us from. And let us know how you're doing wherever you are. As for me, I'm just at home with my baby, then having a nice time here on YouTube. Alright? Alright, Raj, India. Okay, Raj, how is India today? How was the wedding of the billionaire son's wedding? You know, I believe that the wedding shook India. Even we in Africa, we got the story, watching videos. Yeah, okay. Oh, I grew up with an abused dad. My mom went through a lot, and you are a good dad. I wish my dad treats me like this when I was young, but unfortunately, he was never there for me. Oh, oh, I'm sorry about that. And that baby is lucky. Baby is blessed. Amen, amen. You know, yeah, even if you don't have that love from your dad, and when you grow up, you have your wife, have your family, you're going to be there for them so that they will not regret, they will not pass through what you passed through. So for us, upcoming dad, like young dad like us, it's a privilege to take care of our children, and this is our blood. And I believe now some of us will understand better of taking care of our children. We understand what love is. A lot of people don't understand what love is. They feel that love is just you say I love you, make love with the wife, and then she's pregnant, and then you just leave her there. But it's more than that. You have to extend the love to your children and still maintain the one you have for your wife. All right, so it will be a lesson to every upcoming dad, every upcoming mom to take the responsibility and take care of their children. It's very important because those children that we have is they're a blessing. It's a blessing from God. So thank you so much. So it's a blessing from God. Imagine even if a madman, when you show a madman love, he appreciates a lot. So just imagine showing your child love, they appreciate, because it's one of the best, not one of, is the most important thing that you can give to your children and even your family. It's very important. Love. If you like, give them the whole money in the world, but you don't give them love, it's not gonna happen, man. But when you give them love, give them joy, give them peace, they always talk about you, and then they transfer the same love to their children. Yeah, he did not know how to love. Love is important, peace is important, but I'm lucky my mom loves me, and I can share anything with my mom. So I am grateful for that. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it, bro. That's it, bro. Thank God for your mom. Your mom was there, to support you. I know women, they are great. Women, they are great, yeah. They assist us, they support us, and sometimes I see what my wife, what she went through from 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 the pregnancy through the labor, and every night, maybe at times I'll be sleeping, she'll be awake taking care of this child. Sometimes I go to work, she's always taking care of this child. So if I have opportunity to help her, why not? So our women too, we appreciate them for what they are doing. If you're a woman here, we appreciate you. God bless you. I grew up in a city called Sahat in Bangladesh. I moved to London when I was 10. I can say one thing: people here in London, they don't appreciate what they have, the opportunity in London. But sometimes when you have something and it's important to you, you don't appreciate that. It's normal with life, and it's when you go out, say, wow, so I have something like this at home, and I don't appreciate that. So it's normal with people. Funny enough, in this life, everybody wants to look at the other side of life, and somebody will be wishing that, oh, let me go to Bangladesh, found it from UK, so they'll be saying, let me go to Bangladesh and see how Bangladesh is. And other people will be saying, let me come to the UK from Bangladesh. Yeah. We don't appreciate what we have. Yeah, that's human nature for you. That's human nature. Boy, 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 boy. Do you understand what is happening there? I'm communicating with Shofa. Shofi, all the way from the UK. Say hi, Shofi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Oh, it's a boy. My son is a boy. They asked whether you're a girl. Let's see. He looks like me. Okay, what I do for a living. I'm a photographer, cinematographer, and sometimes I act. And I'm a YouTuber. That's what I do for a living. And I'm a father. Is that also? That's what I do for a living, bro. A photographer, a cinematographer, a YouTuber, and a father, and a husband. So on my YouTube, lifestyle, travel vlog, and entertainment. Yeah, so that's what I do on this channel. This is part of my lifestyle, Play with my baby, having a nice time with my baby is part of my lifestyle. Yeah, it's a daddy's lifestyle. Yeah, happiness is important, and peace is very important. Yeah. Sometimes when there's no peace, you have to create peace for yourself, because you're the only one who can take care of you. Nobody can take care of you the way you should do. Nobody can understand you the way you understand yourself. So whatever it is, it all depends on you. Am I right? Am I right? So that you are enjoying looking at the screen. Boy, 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 boy. Yeah, go and look at the shadow. Go and look at the shadow. Go and look. It just rained here, so that's why he's wearing sweater, because of the rain. Rain, rain, rain. Like, I don't understand how people leave their babies and would love my baby more than my life, man. This is like, this is the life, Just 2 months. You know, this is a life. When you look at your baby, it's like your life. No, it's like it's your life. It's just like is another version of you. So when you treat this guy bad, you are treating yourself bad. You know. So your baby is another version of you. This is my first time of being a dad, so I'm learning, doing it, and learning too. How better I can give my son or my children the kind of love they deserve, so that when they grow up, they will still share the same love. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. When you put yourself in the shoe of a baby, of your baby, then you appreciate your baby more, you know. You don't even want to hurt them. But me, what I'll do, I will teach my children, teach them the right thing to do. And I will discipline them, you know. At least here in Africa, we have the right to beat. So, if they do anyhow, we beat them, correct them. Yes. If you do anyhow, I correct you. I correct you. All right? Ndote. Call. You wanna go? Sorry. Okay, Tampa. I think he wants to sleep. You want to sleep? Oh, sorry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't go home. Sorry. Sorry. Go and meet your mommy. Go and meet your mommy. Go and meet your mommy. Call. All right. Maybe he needs to suck, man. Yeah, it's hard to find a good girl. People cheat so much, but I believe in God. God always saved me. He knows me. Yeah. You know, sometimes it's always hard to find love, but when you keep searching, there's somebody out there who will be part of you, who love you for who you are. And you know, keep looking, keep searching, and I believe one day you find that particular person. You know, it will look like a dream, but before you know, guys, please subscribe, comment, share. You can go back and watch some of my videos, and if you are new here, say hi, then I will follow you. Yeah, I'm a Christian. Yeah, I got beaten up by my mom. That's why I know how to behave now. I look back, and that's why I am grateful now towards my mom. Yeah, in Africa, you know, they train us well, yeah. And, you know, that beating helps a lot, man. But in some other country, when you beat your child, in some other part of the world, when you beat your child, they're not happy with you. They can even take you to court. But here in Nigeria, when you beat your child, they will say you are training the child. So we don't beat you, or even if you go to court, the judge will go there and beat you. Yeah. At least to make you feel it's training. And here in Africa, we believe that training is when there's sometimes you have to beat a child so that they will understand, you know. Sometimes you have to beat your child so that they will understand. African people knows how to behave. It's necessary, but there are levels to everything. Yeah, they are. it's still raining here. And when I was growing up, there are some trainings that my parents gave me, beating, training, and how to behave, and it has helped my life. Even now that they are no more, I'm able to take care of myself, and God is helping me. And it's not about showing people that would you will be shocked by how people behave in Europe. Yeah, it's their way of life, and that is how culture people have different cultures. Yeah, um, their way of life, how they behave, what they do, how they think, and how they live their life. That's culture. And people in Europe, that's their culture. And we in Africa. Roman, how are you? Welcome. How are you doing, Roman? So in Africa, we train our children, we beat them when there's needs for us to beat them. And here in Africa, even if somebody can be 6 years, 7 years, 12, 15, 25, even at 30, if you misbehave, the father can slap you, you know. As I am right now, 30 something, if I misbehave, my father can still beat me and I will do nothing. And if I try to like raise my hand on my father, my brothers, everybody will gather and give me good treatment of my life. That they will beat me so that I will get sense into my brain. So in Africa, in part of Africa where I am, that's how we behave. The father can beat you at any level. He can slap you at any level when you are wrong. Not like abuse. No, it's not like abuse, but it's part of training. You know. So, but some other part of the world, they don't cherish that. So, people with their different culture, how they behave, their way of life, it's, imagine my friend Roman, all the way from Denmark, you know, he's watching me right now. So, at his age, if he does something wrong, the parents can still discipline him, and sometimes by beating him. Yeah, there's so many ways to discipline a child. Some of us, sometimes when you do something and they beat you, sometimes you feel like your parents, they don't love you, they don't even care about you. But when you look into it deeply, you discover that your parents are actually showing you the right way to follow. And if you follow their steps, the good one, not every parent that beats a child that is trying to show them the right way. Sometimes they are pushing those children to go to the wrong path. But when you have a parent who is trying to teach you the right way to follow, it's a privilege. Because if you do that, one day maybe their parents, they are no more, and then you have to live life on your own. You have to live the life on your own. There will be no parents, there will be no mom, there will be no dad. You have to survive on your own. Now, what will make you strong? The only thing that will make you strong is the training that you got from your parents. That's the only thing that will make you strong. So sometimes people, why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? It's discipline. To me, I can say it's discipline. And when everybody is disciplined, life goes good. So that's what's up. Burger. Thank you, Roman. So, discipline is what we need. That's why when you go to school, they discipline you, try to teach you what to do and what not to do. And, Every country that is doing well today is because of discipline. And there's some things that you can go to the UK and you do, and maybe if you can go to Denmark, you'll not be able to do that. If you come to Nigeria, there's some things that you do, there's some things that you cannot do. What do you think about getting married early? You know, when it comes to marriage, it's not because of you know, when it comes to marriage, it's not because of you are getting married early or late. You know, when it comes to marriage, it has to do with something of the heart. You know, if you are strong, and if you're able to, you have the ability to take, to be able to accommodate another person in your space. If you have that ability, if you have that strength, it has to start from your mind. All right. So if you have that ability, that strength to accommodate somebody in your space, it will help you a lot. So when you don't have that ability to accommodate somebody, that is a challenge. Because marriage is not all about romance, kisses, love making. It's part of the marriage. But what matters more, are you matured enough? Not by stature, not by your looks. They're talking about matured mind. Because as a married man, thank you, Roman. As a married man, there are some things you need to handle. There are some things that you need to treat maturely. Because this other person that is coming to live with you, he or she is coming from different background. And this person is not coming from the same background as yours. You have different training. So you are coming together to learn how to live with each other. So when you come together as one, this is how it is. You come and you are pushing yourself in. There's kind of friction. By the time you keep pushing, then you grab each other, and then you still rubbing. Then you guys will become one. So you have to take care of that person, like clothes and because when you marry, thank you, Roma, when you marry, this person has become your responsibility. You know, you don't want to take care of the person and then love that person. Because when you have somebody as your wife, as your husband, you need to love that person as you love yourself. Not just love him because let me just love him. No, love him as you love yourself. Is anything that is happening to that person that should affect you too? You know, that's how marriage should be. I've seen kids who are at they are 60 old years, and I've seen men, they are like 15. You know, so yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's all about maturity. Yeah, every man, every woman needs to have that. Every man, every woman needs to have that maturity, that kind of matured mind. Sorry, it's raining here. Can anybody hear me? So let me now see if I'm not talking to myself. You know, you need to have matured mind. It's very important. And when you don't have matured mind, a lot of things happen to you, and okay, okay, beautiful. All right, thank you. So we don't have. Thank you. YouTube is great, man. I love the audio. Like you can hear me. That's beautiful. So when you have matured mind, it helps you a lot. You handle things as you handle things as if you are 100 years old. But when you have a child mind, you handle things like a child. Matured mind is not about years. Yeah, years are just like numbers. That's what you see. They say a boy of 15 years old got married to a 25-year-old woman. You know, it has to do with maturity. And when you are not matured, even if you got married, even if you love yourself, that thing that you guys are not matured is going to affect you guys in your marriage. So, marriage has to come with what? Maturity. The man and the woman, they have to mature. So I hope I have answered your question, Sophie. Yeah. It's raining here heavily. Is it raining in where you are too? Roma, what's your time? Guys, let me know where you're watching me from. Let's communicate, yeah? Let's communicate. Tell me what. Ask me a question. Let's talk about it, man. I love talking. Oh, 10, 10. Hey, it's about 9, 10, 9, 11. All right. I don't know. Should I call myself mature? I just think so much. Don't know why. I don't know yet, but I went through a lot. Survived. Car crash, mom saved me from electric shock. Saved by God from drowning when I was young. You know what I would tell my 17-year-old. Hello, unknown pirate. Welcome to my life. Welcome. What I would tell my 17 years old, I would say maybe some of the things like Justin, how are you? Welcome, bro. Welcome. What I would tell my 17 years old, I would say to myself that I would have known better and live my life better than now. And if I can go back there, there's some things I can fix in my life, you know. Now, when looking at life as a young man, you look at life in different directions. And when you are young coming up, some people, they'll feel like, oh, I need to get a woman. I need to have money. Thank you. I need to get a woman. I need to have money. You know, you think so many things. Yeah. But always remember, at 17 or 16, 15, even 14, you ask yourself, what is my purpose in life? And when you know your purpose in life, you'll be able to achieve more in life. But when you don't know your purpose in life, so many mistakes that you do. So I wish at the age of 17, I wish I had known my purpose in life. That would have been better, you know. So sometimes it's always good for us to know our purpose in life, and then we'll be focused, so that we're not going to be distracted, you know. My favorite food is swallow. We are not in Nigeria, so maybe you don't understand. Or you're not in Africa, or maybe you don't understand. The swallow. Swallow with draw soup, like okra soup. Do you have okra in your space, in your country? I love draw soup with fish. Who is here? If you are here, say hi. Let me know. I think when you are talking about my favorite sport, I love I love football. I used to like football. Yeah, I love football. I love basketball. I love volleyball, and I love car racing. Car racing, yeah, and swimming. You know. So, my friend Sophie, whatever you have passed through in life, I will always encourage you to always trust God and always know that there are better days ahead of you. You know, so whatever you are going through, know that there are better days ahead of you that are coming for you to become a better person and then live the good life of your dream, you know. So basically that's what I can say to you, because according to the car crash and a lot of things that you have gone through, sometimes you feel, what is my purpose in life? And at times we pass through things so that we can be able to encourage other people, you know. I'm not a Muslim, I'm a Christian. I'm a Christian and I love everybody. I'm a Christian. So it's very important for us to know that, and yeah, that's what's up. Yes, come on with your question. Come on with your question. Oh, trying to get a job. I will be 18 at November 12th. Then 17 years. Won't be too fast time flies, yeah? So far. Alright. You know, I was born in my birthday is November 13th. My birthday is November 13th. Now, so far, Sophie, what I will encourage you to do, I think if you have a YouTube channel, you have a TikTok account, if you have Facebook, you know, start creating content. You can create content. Or even in UK, you have to be 18 years above before start creating content. You know, my friend Roman, who is chatting with me here, Roman is about 10 years old, but he's a content creator, yeah? He creates content on his YouTube channel. He's a footballer, you know. He's a footballer. He loves football a lot, you know. So there was a time I was talking to him. Amen. I told him, as a footballer, create content of you playing your football and then put on your YouTube, you know. So, getting your job. And you know, let me tell you something. In Nigeria, mostly in Africa, there's a lot of things that we'll go through here in Africa. Different kind of experience, yeah? Yeah, it says I made a 2 and channel. I don't understand. Oh, you have another channel. So now, here in Africa, when you're on TikTok, all right? When you're on TikTok, let me say in Nigeria, I don't know the other part of Africa, you must have 1,000 followers before you go live on TikTok. That is what happened in Nigeria. And in TikTok, TikTok does not pay you with your views here in Nigeria. I love Liverpool 69 gang. How do you go live? On YouTube, you must have 1,000 subscribers before you go live on YouTube. You're gonna go live on YouTube, you must have 1,000 subscribers. In Nigeria, that's what we do. Oh, that's good. So now, if you see yourself as a trader, as a forex trader, then you can still create YouTube content and tell people the best way to trade forex. It's very important. So whenever you see yourself, what you know that you are good at, there are a lot of people who don't understand, who don't know how to do that. Then that's where you come in place. You teach them. You tell them what to do. So that's why you are there. What you have idea with, you tell people. Welcome back, Jesse. Roman, I have more. Welcome back, Jesse. How are you? How was work today? It's raining here in Nigeria. Is it raining where you are? Let me know in the comment section. I'm having a good time with my friends here, my family here. My boy is sleeping. Sometimes too. All right. So Justin, before you go, what part of UK are you? I'm fasting. I'm gonna fast for 2 more months. Need to lose body weight, skin, fat, what I did not like. That is what body shape. The only thing that will make you happy is for you to love yourself. Love yourself, appreciate yourself for who you are, and I don't know how your shape looks, but I think you have to love yourself. There's this important thing that we need to learn as human beings. We have to learn how to love ourselves. Learn how to love yourself. Sometimes we take our time loving people and then we forget ourselves. Thank you, Roman. Sometimes we choose to love people and then forget to love ourselves. But you have to love yourself. It's very important. When you love yourself, you live a better life. But when you don't love yourself, you live every day by regretting why you are here on earth, What are you doing in this life? You know, Kit Kat. So sometimes you, if you want to, like your body shape, you want to arrange your body shape, not like go on fasting and doing a lot, but maybe sometimes you. Thank you so much, Roman. Romans is one of my biggest fans. So sometimes you have to maybe reduce some of the food that you eat that makes you fat. Kit 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 Kat. Kit Kat chocolate. Well, I'm not a fan of chocolate, yeah. I don't eat chocolate like that, so I'm not a fan of chocolate, so I may not even know how much it costs. I'm not a fan of chocolate, man. So, but all the same, like I said, so let us learn to love ourselves, no matter what. Love yourself and see yourself that you are the best. Even with your structure, you are the best. Love yourself. If you don't love yourself, nobody will love you. So I encourage everybody that's watching me, we must all have to learn how to love ourselves. Don't deny yourself for who you are. That's me, oh. But I'm not forcing on anybody to do what I said. But if you think that anything I said that you have something that you can pick from it, pick it and then make use of it. And we believe that it will help you in your life. So me, when I lost my parents, life was very hard. So, and sometimes people reject you and people talk down on you. You don't know what to do. Sometimes you feel like, oh, I wish my mom was there. I wish my dad was there. You turn around, you look at your back, then nobody was there to even look up to, you know. Then the best thing, I turned my face and I started looking up to God. And that is why I always say, there's this slogan I have, focus on God. Every human being needs to learn how to focus on God. If you go to my Facebook, that's my slogan, focus on God. Some people call me for focus on God. So sometimes, yeah. So every human being, like I said, whatever you are, wherever you find yourself, you all need to learn how to focus on God. Because, well, I don't know what your Quran or what you believe in that tells you, but we Christian, the Bible says we should, looking up to Jesus, who is the author and the finisher of our faith. You know, sometimes we will want men to praise us. Men can raise your hope, men can still bring your hope down. You know, so we have to learn, we have to know all those things. You know, that's what I always say, always focus on God. When you focus on God, God can never disappoint you. God can never. And God can never do anything bad for you. Everything that God does for you is just to protect you, to help you, to give you strength, to give you hope for your future. Roman, are you still here? How is your baby sister? I know you sent me a picture of your baby sister. How is she? And when my team lose 4-1, motive them. they will win, because I still believe all my teammates. Like me, like a football team. What kind of team? Like football team? Let's see here. Roma, hi, is your mom, your dad, your kid's sister? All right, thank you so much. It's nice having you. Thank you for the chat. And thank you. God bless you. Take care of yourself. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. All right? Oh, they're all okay. Beautiful. My regards to them. It's raining here heavily. So, Roman, anytime you give me an invite to come over to your country, I will come. All right? So can you give somebody an invite to come to your country? Let me check the map. Nigeria to Denmark. Let me look at the map. Let me know how far Denmark is from Nigeria. Map. I want to check Google Map to see how far Denmark is from where I am to Nigeria. Let's check. Let me just see. Denmark. All right. I'm not saying Denmark, Australia. I want to see how far it is, man. Okay. Roman, let's see what Google has to say about from here to Denmark. They said, are you listening? Let me see, check again. From where I am to Denmark. Denmark. Roman, if you can hear me. Google said, if I'm traveling by car, I will use 2 days, 21 minutes. 2 days. If I'm using a bike, there's no roads for bike. If I'm using a train, no roads for train. If I'm trekking, I'm going to trek for 51 days. That's about 2 months and some days before I get to Denmark. That's very far. Wow. So Denmark is close to Australia. No. It's close to the UK. It's close to Norway. It's close to Sweden and Finland and Poland and Germany. I think from Germany then you get to Denmark. So if you're in Germany, it's so easy to get to Denmark. Well, that's good. Now imagine I leave Nigeria to go to Denmark. Okay, and Iceland. Yeah. I think Iceland is kind of far from Denmark. Iceland, UK, then you get to Denmark. Now let's see. Okay, so if I leave Nigeria, this is a straight road from Nigeria to Niger, from Niger to Algeria, Algeria to let me say Tunisia, then from Tunisia to Italy, from yeah, I'm just checking, from Italy to France, and maybe a touch of Australia, then from Australia to Germany. After Germany, then I get to Denmark. All right, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I will pass about nine countries before I get to Denmark. That's a great journey, man. It's not easy. I think Abi, can you try to live in a hotel in Virgin? Okay. I'm just trying to check, man. I just want to know how the road is, man. So that I can move here to Denmark. Oh, but that's a great journey, man. Lego. I don't know. So okay, the place you mentioned is here. I saw it, but I have to go to Denmark one day. Bosley. You know, when you want to travel with your car, you need to you go through a lot. Go through a lot. But it's not an easy road, man. It's not an easy road. I was just trying to check Google and then see what they can do for me. Okay, I'm driving a taxi. You mean from Nigeria? Nigeria is far. It's very far. Or maybe when I come to Germany, I'll try to find a way to go to Denmark. Is that so? That was a nice one. So if you're here, just comment your country down so that I can search your country on Google. Imagine, if you are trekking, you're going to trek for like 2 months. Wow. You can even do more than that. 54 days. Wow. Yeah, I will come some days. Maybe by that time you'll be a big time goalkeeper. You know? I want to see if I can spend 2 hours on this live. If it is possible for me to do that, I'll be glad. Welcome guys. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, like, and let me know where you're watching me from. So I can give you a shout out. You can jump on your bike. Yeah, okay. Okay, I will do that. Let me check your channel so that I was subscribed. But okay. Do you think it's necessary for you to have 2 YouTube channels? Because if you do that, I think you'll be stressing yourself much, you know. So I think it will be hard for you to meet up with your upload. But if you have the strength, go ahead and do it. I'm looking at your channel. I'll check it. Okay, I've seen your channel. You have about 4 subscribers. I would you have 1 short video. Let me watch it. Roman, why did you play the camera, the ball and hit on your camera? Why did you do that? This goal, did he call this goal? Why? You want to break your phone? Enable your comment. If somebody wants to comment on your video, your comment is disabled. Roman, if you can hear me, see. I can't comment because look at this. You have to enable your comments. Do you have a YouTube Creator Studio on your phone? If you don't have, go and download. Roman, are you there? So there are many headers. So okay. Look at another one. If you think you cannot handle but you know, let me tell you something now. Well, if you don't have the heart to handle it, fine. But you know, the more they comment, that's how they make your video go viral. You know. So imagine me now, I want to comment something good, I cannot comment because of hatred. No, it's not everybody that has this hate stuff. So now this one, I'm looking at it. Look at it. I'm looking at it, but you are just filming the sky. I'm not seeing the ball. You know, I can Hajj Jag Ida. Okay. Alright guys, I think I've stayed here and now it's like somebody is feeling sleepy. This maybe I will check it tomorrow. I'll check it tomorrow and then comment on it. Hey. Mm. Well, that's good. So, Roman, thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying with me to up to this time. Um, I need to go to rest, and then I will be with you tomorrow. Love you. You are great people. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's very important. Please subscribe, like, and share, and watch some of our other videos. I really appreciate you. Thank you, Roman. Thank you, everybody. Those of you I can see, those of you I cannot see, thank you so much. I just need to rest for tomorrow. I'll see you more. Thank you, guys. Love you. You have a wonderful night's rest. Bye for now. Bye-bye.